Good morning, students. Today we'll continue with the linear equation. Now, in linear equation, earlier we have done where simple equations were given and we solve the equation and get the value of x. Now we have to make the equation. So for that we have to read the question very carefully so that we should able to make the equation and solve it. Solving the equation is not a problem, only we have to make the equation very carefully. Like first is two numbers are two numbers are in 5:8, and if the sum of numbers is 182, find numbers. So it's very simple. He says that the two numbers are in 5:8. So let first number be 5x and the second number will be 8x. Sum 5x plus 8x is equal to 182. Now what we'll do, add 13x is equal to 182. 13 is being multiplied here, so when we'll shift to other side it will be divided. Very good. 182 by 13, answer is 4. Answer, the number is 14. This is the value of x, but our first number was 5x, that means 5 into 14, 70. Another was 8x, 8 into 14, that will be 112, and if we add them it should come to 182. We can check also. This is important question. Sum of digits of two-digit number is 15. Sum of digits of two-digit number is 15 if the number formed by reversing the digits is less than the original number by 27, find the original very simple. He says that the sum of two-digit number, let the digit at unit place is x. See, one is unit place, another is 10 place. Their sum is 15. If sum of two number is 15, then the digit at 10th place or the other number will be 15 plus x. How we write the number? We write the number 10 into digit at unit place plus 1 into at unit place. Like if we have 54, write 5 into 10 plus 4 into 1. So the number therefore will be 10 into 15 minus x plus x. Reverse number will be, or interchange number will be, in reverse number what will happen? This will go here and this will go here. It will be 10x plus 15 minus x. What he says that if the number formed by reversing the digit is less than the original number by 27, the reverse number is less than the original number by 27. That means the original number is greater. Original number was 10 into 15 plus x minus the number obtained by reversing the digit. How much less is 27? Or so it will be 150 plus 10x minus 10x minus 15 plus x is equal to 27. So this was minus. So this will be 20 minus 19x is equal to 27 minus 135. So 19x is equal to 108. Plus x. Original number was 10 into 15 minus x plus x. So plus x, it will be 18x is equal to 108. X is equal to 108 by 18. This will comes to 6. This will be unit place. Tens number will be 15 minus 6, 9. And what will be the number? Unit at 10. Unit was x, it was 9. So answer is 96. If we want to check, we can check sum of digit is 15 and this number is greater than the interchanging the number by 27. Both are true, that means our answer is right. Third, question number 3 is denominator of rational number is greater than the numerator by 3. Let numerator be x, then the denominator be x plus 3. Fraction will be x upon x plus 3. Denominator is less than, if 3 is subtracted from the numerator and 2 is added to the denominator. According to the question, 3 is subtracted from this and 2 is added to this, the fraction becomes 1 by 5. So x minus 3, x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 5. So what we'll do now? Anyone? Right, we'll do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. When we'll do cross multiplication, it will be 5 into x minus 3, x plus 5. 5x plus minus 15 is equal to x plus 5. 4x is equal to 20, x is equal to 5. This was numerator. And denominator was 3 more than this. That will be 8. This is not our answer. Answer will be, question was, what was the fraction? Numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator, 3 by 8. If we want to check, we can check, 5 by 8. If we want to check, we can check also by substituting or by putting the value in equation. Next question. Next question was the length of rectangle. First of all, we have to draw the rectangle. Whenever a geometrical figure is there, you have to draw. He says the length of rectangle, exceeds the width, by 9. That means if the width is x, length will be x plus 9. It's greater. Now he says if length and width are increased by 3, if length and width, if the length and the width both are increased by 3 centimeter, the area of rectangle will be 84 more than the original area. Then the area of new rectangle will be 84 centimeter square more than that of given rectangle. Find length and width. Solution. So we have assumed let the width be x, the length will be x plus 9, then the area, because he is talking about the area, length into width. This is the area, this is number 1. Now he says that if the length and width are both increased, according to question, new length is x plus 9 plus 3, that means x plus 12 length. New width will be x plus 3. New area will be x plus 12, x plus 3. He says that the new area will be increased by this. How we will able to know increase or decrease? When we will subtract. This is more. This area is more. More कैसे पता चलेगा? Minus. How will able to know it's a more or less or greater or lesser or increase or decrease? When we subtract them. How much more? 84. Now open it. It will be x square plus 12x plus 3x plus 36 minus x square minus 9x is equal to 84. X square is cancelled. 12, 15, 5x is equal to 84 minus 36. 15, 9, 6. 6x is equal to 36, 6x is equal to 8, 48, and x is equal to 48 by 6, that will be 8 centimeter. This will be the width. So what was the length? Length was 9 meter more, that will be 17 centimeter. So this is how we have to do the linear